But we're going to the waterfall today, so I'm excited. I almost thought I had pink eye yesterday. I just had allergies. So
you got it, you're good. Oh, you got water on your camera. Give me a second. Oh wait, I'm wet too. Fuck. Yeah. Can you even see? I said that I wasn't gonna get soaking wet. Question: if you had 1 minute to say your last words, what would they be? I'm just thinking about that coming up on this hill. Like, what would my last words be? Something has got to give, and it's looking like it's gonna be me. Thank you for covering that sun up though, cause y'all ever feel like you ever feel like passing out? Serious question. Like, just like maybe making a choice to just anyway. I believe the hardest part is over. Ah! Had to make sure. I need a nose ring, can y'all tell? It's an earring in there. And I don't know if that's sanitary or not, but I cannot let that hole close. That's Bia. That's Melvin.